Ayan, andito po kami sa Emirates Park Zoo. O, diba?
Ano po ko sa harapan, sa tabi ng Manila.
Barak, barak! Shuada barak! Big! Ang laki ng penguin yan eh.
Lion!
Sila. Si lion pala. Parang penguin, no?
Hi, good evening everybody. Let's welcome you all here at Emirates Park Zoo and Resort. And this evening, you're going to learn a little bit while have fun with some of the most amazing creatures of the sea, our sea lion friends. By the way, my name is Jeanette, and let me introduce my partners to you one by one, starting off with Claudio. Next to Claudio is Victoria, together with trainer Bien. And finally, we got the big guy, Arthur, together with trainer Fran. And you know what? All our sea lions here at Emirates Park Zoo, they are all there. Now here at Emirates Park Zoo, we are all very much concerned about the environment. And even our sea lions, they want to do their part to help and protect the ocean, which of course is their natural home. But sometimes it's a little bit dangerous.
Ang laki, oh. Ay! Aba, aba! Aba! Anong bigay ko sa'yo?
Yung ano eh.
Ha? Wala. Yung ano siya, oh. Ah, ligid-ligid siya. Galing na. Ang laki. Ano, malaki. Si lion po yan. Okay. Video ko, bahala ka niya. Di ko mukhaon. Sabi malaki. Yung malaki, oh, gusto ko sumayaw. Wow.
Okay, everybody, eyes on Arthur and Victoria.
Wow!
Parang dolphin lang ah.
Wow, para lang siyang dolphin, no? Ganyan pala itsura ng sila yun, ha? Wow! Ay! Nasaan na yun? Ayun.
Okay, once again,
Haba
please
ito.
put your hands together for Bia, Arthur, and Victoria. Great job there. So, on behalf of Claudia, Bia, Arthur, Victoria, and the
Yung
rest
isa
of the
natabunan.
sea lions here at Emirates Park
Malaki lang.
we would like to say thank you for joining us here this evening. And we do hope that you enjoyed our presentation. But before you all go, please join us to
Lang, laki. Oh, ayun.
ice cream!
Which one?
Ganun niya, okay lang. Kasi medyo... Manok kaya sa
Ladies and gentlemen, 3, 2, 1.
more juice. He drink already. Napaka juice dati pa hindi nga. Wala na juice. Tag-iisa lang kami. Wow! Paano niya nahawakan yan? Ay, galing. Oh. Wala, ang galing niya. Guy, nag-ali man ang lamisa. Yun na lang.
Kanina magandang ano. Maganda sana nung isa. Ang sarap tapos. Tawag ng tawag. Tawag naman ng tawag.
Wow! Barak! Barak! Ang galing niya, no? Nasasabayan niya yung laser. Lagi, no? Sinasabay din niya sa ano, sa music.